Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Cook for You presents Papdi Chaat Sundae. Crush some poppies. Add some crushed poppies to the glass. Now add boiled potato chunks. Add boiled chickpeas. Green coriander mint chutney. Sweet tamarind chutney. Add some chopped onion. Add some chopped tomatoes. Add sweetened yogurt. Sprinkle some red chili powder. Sprinkle some cumin powder. Some chaat masala. Add soaked bundi. Add some nylon sev. Sprinkle some coriander leaves. Add pomegranate seeds. Again drizzle some green chutney. Drizzle some sweet tamarind chutney. Garnish with papdi and mint. Repeat same procedure for another glass. You can also assemble as per your choice. Your Papdi Chaat Sundae is ready to serve. Enjoy! Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback in the comment section. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.